So my voice is clear, right? Video, audio, any problem? Yeah. So guys, yesterday we started our section. Okay. So why you guys are learning Java? So what is Java? So who is created? So why we are using this language and types of languages we are learning. Correct or not? So just guys give quick response. Types of language. Tell me. First one, high level language. Okay, it is understandable by only humans. Second one, mid-level language. So it is not understandable by the humans. It is not understandable by the machines also. Like that, it is that in the stream of byte stream. Okay. So next, finally, low level language. So this low level language only it can understandable by the machines. Correct or not? So this is the three types of languages we know. Correct or not? So first you guys are learning which course? Some student will simply join, they don't know anything. So now here you guys are learning what? Core Java. Okay. In that core Java, okay, so in the core Java, Java first and next oops and collection frameworks and strings and arrays we will have to cover that all topics. And after that we will start SQL also. Okay. Clear, right? Very good, very good. Okay. Okay guys, so types of languages you know already. Okay. So for just revision purpose, I am telling. So first one is high level programming language. So now guys tell me Java is high level programming language or not? Java is what? So okay guys, some students they are having a doubt. Sir, this core Java is used for the testing also. Yes guys, if you want to learn testing also, this core Java required. If you want to go to developing side or testing side also, this core Java is mandatory. Okay, if you for suppose in the after few days you guys shifting to that some Selenium tool. Okay, so without core Java basics knowledge, you can't go to that Selenium tool. First, they will teach core Java only. Okay, so it is using for testing also for developing also. As a fresher, you my suggestion is go to developers only. Okay, so don't feel like this is very hard. So if you learn, it's very easy core Java. Okay, so high level language and mid level language and mid level language and finally low level language. Finally, low level language. So this low level language we can call it as what? Binary language. I told right what is binary language? What is binary language? Zeros and ones, zeros and ones. Correct or not? So this mid level language we can call it as what? Assembly level language. Okay, assembly level language. Okay, yeah, so this is the types of languages. So finally what we are doing, we are converting high level language to low level language by using Java. Correct? What is Java? Java, it is an one programming language. Simply you guys have to remember. Okay, yeah, good. So now, so by using Java, what we are doing, we are creating what? Softwares, games and websites, blah blah, so many things. Okay, for suppose you are creating one application, so inside application what you guys are doing, storing some information. Okay, storing some information. So when you are storing some information, what is required for security? Correct or not? In the security, in the purpose, we are very alert. Correct or not? If I will take anyone mobile, how many locks they are putting, first face lock. Okay, first face lock. In that after face lock I will enter it in the next pattern. Okay, after entering that pattern also one pin is there. Okay, and finally it will open to that home screen. So that means security is very very important. Correct? Yeah. So correct or not, if you check boys mobile, they will put lock for Chrome also. Correct? Security purpose. Okay, So in here also, if you are building any application, what is mandatory first? The security is mandatory, correct? So how to get the security? So now your Java is giving that security. So that's why we can call it as Java. It is a high level secure language. So by using Java, if you create any application or any website, it is highly secure language. Why? Because Java they created like that, correct or not? So it is very secure language. And next, by using Java, we can create real world objects also. Sir, how we can create real world objects? That means, for suppose one object is there, okay? One object is there, okay? Just assume mobile is one object. I want to represent this mobile object into my Java program. So how to represent it? So Java providing some concepts. What is that concepts? Some oops concepts. Correct or not? Okay, by using this all oops concept, you guys can create one real world object only. So that is the reason why we can call it as Java as what? Object oriented programming language. So object oriented means by using Java we can create objects. That's it. Okay, object oriented programming language. Okay. So next. So it is very secure language and it is what is that? Object oriented programming language also. So next finally it is a platform independent language. What it means? It is platform independent language. So any interviewer asks this question. So what is Java means? You have to tell this entire story. So what is that Java? It is a high level programming language. It's created by Sun Microsystems. Present owned by whom? Oracle. So present who is the owner of this? Our Java means Oracle. Okay, it's Oracle is one company. Now Java owned by Oracle. Okay. So next it is created in the year of 1919 by who is the father of Java? James Gosling. Okay, so next you have to tell Java is very secure language. By using Java, we can create websites, slow blah blah, and it is an object-oriented programming language. And the next, finally, it is an platform independent. Okay, yeah. So this is a just small. Okay, this is a small story you have to explain. Okay, so next. Okay, for suppose one requirement is there. Okay, one requirement is there. So what is the requirement? I will take on new sheet only. Okay, so my requirement is there. Okay, so one requirement is there. So what is that requirement? Create one application for that alternate to the Facebook. So same similar like Facebook application only. Okay, you have to create one application to the same similar like Facebook. Okay, one client came and he's giving requirements. So what is the requirement? The requirements is, okay, in this Facebook first you have to store what? User details. Okay, first you have to store what? User details. And second, okay, in the and second next, I want to send the request from the one person to another person. Okay, this is the second requirement. Okay, request. Okay, so next third is I want to make my client my user as private. That means other persons cannot see. So like that he's giving some requirements. Okay, so next, okay, now you are one developer. Okay, now you are one developer and you are telling to the client, okay, I will do this code, but just give me 3 years time. What is that? 3 years time. So he will ask why. So why? Because I want to create one language. Okay, I want to create one language. So guys, my voice is clear. Any disturbance is there? Voice is not audible. Clear now. Okay. So guys, just increase your video quality. That's it. In my side, it's clear. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, okay, guys. So now this person is telling what? I want 3 years time to develop your application. Why? Because I want to create one programming language, I want to create some methods, I want to create some predefined classes. So by using that classes only I will build this application. This telling means he will wait for until 3 years. He will wait for until 3 years. No, he won't wait. Correct or not? So just tell me, guys. So now one person is there, he's creating one software, means what they are doing, they are replacing humans. That's it. For suppose one company is there, one car company is there. Okay, one car company is there. Okay, one car company is there. Okay, this is one car company. So in this car company, what they are doing, per week, okay, that deliver it how many cars? 100 cars per week. 100 cars. So this is the number one brand company. But per week, okay, per, okay sir, not per week, per year, they delivered how many cars? Only 100 cars. Okay, so but the so many subscribers are there, they are waiting for their car. In outside 1000 subscribers are there. But what their work, their capacity is per year they will release only 100 cars. So now one person went to that company and he observed, okay, in that company 1000 members they are working. Okay, 1000 members are going. He will talk to that company owner. Okay, I'm having one software. Okay, if you install that software means it will automatic totally. In per year you can release how many cars? 2000 cars. And this 1000 members also not required. So in the time wise also, in the safety wise also, and in the business wise also, which is best? So his the software is best. Correct or not? In the place of this manual work, that software can do easily. Okay, so he will replace this 1000 members to the one software. Okay, he will hire only how many, or 20 developers and 10 testers. That's it enough. In per year how many cars they are creating now? 2000 cars. So where is 100, where is 2000? So when you are creating any software, it's replacing the humans. That's it. Correct or not? So now in the recently one is there, what is that? Something chart GPT something. Anyone hear that word? Chart GPT? I think you guys already know, I think. Chat GPT. So if the chat GPT it will success, what happens? First, Google will come. Okay. So second, developers. Okay. So now for suppose that is in one testing stage, that next they will release that official version. Correct or not? So that means when they are creating new software, it's replacing what? Humans only, human work. Correct or not? Okay. So now if you don't worry to create any software, okay, they created what? All inbuilt classes, inbuilt methods and all, everything they already created. What we guys have to do, you have to use that classes, use that methods, and create what? Your program. Okay, create what? Your program. That's it. So no need to create anything. Okay. Yes guys, if the chat gpt it will work means developers gone. So many developers, yeah. The chart deficit work means, yes, yes. So why? Because if you search any code, it will give in within 1 second. Okay. So okay, we'll discuss later. We'll discuss later. Okay. So next, first front end part. Okay. So next middle layer, and next back end. Okay. So this three. So front end part means, guys, you already know, right? Okay, the designing and all, that application logos and all, that is and all total front end part. Okay, we are using what? HTML and CSS and JavaScript and all. Okay, so this is for using for what? Front end developing. Correct or not? So this is the connection, this is the middle layer, is the connection to the what? Front end to and back end. So this is what back end. Okay, your back end database. Okay, so here in this back end, what you guys are doing, you are writing logics. Correct or not? So for suppose you are writing one logic means, simply it will not work. It will require what? Front end also. But you guys are learning what? Back end development. Okay, this is what core Java using for backend development. Okay, so guys, why I'm teaching it slowly means for suppose in if you are going to interview means these things are all not required. Correct or not? They will ask very simple questions. You just give straight answers. That's it. Okay, but you should know about that what is the front end. We are working in front end or back end. There's some candidates are they don't know. That's why I'm teaching now. Correct or not? So in this back end, you have to write your Java code. Correct or not? For suppose you are building one big application means you are only writing each and every code. You are only writing everything. No, in that entire application, you are writing logic for one small task. Only one task they are giving. What is that? Adding students. For this task only, you have to write the logic. Okay. So we are thinking about the developers. They are doing some big job, very big work. We can't do anything. If you want, you just go and sit in one developer and ask one small program how to calculate what is that an array elements. That's it. And think how they will give answer. Really, they don't know. We are only thinking too much. Okay. Okay. So we are working in for what? Backend development. Okay. So this is front end, this is middle layer, and this is back end. Yeah, they also search in Google only, but they are giving that build up now. That is too much high. Okay, so next. So are you guys installed Java JDK? Did you guys install JDK or not? So guys, first if you want to do any, okay, if you want to write any Java application, first what is required? Your JDK. Okay, so first install JDK. Okay, so now you guys know right now present which version is running. Now present which version is running? 19 version. If you want, you can install 19 or 18, anything, okay? But install, okay, after 18 version only. Before 18 version, don't install any version, okay? After 18, how many versions are there? You can install anything, it will work. But before 18, 8 version, some programs, some classes is are not supported for before 18th version, 8 version, okay? So just install after 8 version. Okay, so here I will give one link. Okay, so first go to, okay, Oracle. So just wait. Okay guys, so it will open one Oracle page. So next scroll down. So here your 19th version is there. Okay, so if you are using Linux or Mac OS or Windows, so many of them are using Windows only, right? In that Windows they are giving, okay, this link. So if you install any link, it's fine. Okay, any link. Okay, so here I am installing that first one. Okay, so click. So guys, in this YouTube live streaming is in the tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That's it. In that after we will start the class in Zoom meeting only. Okay. So just we have to know how many students are coming. Okay. So it is installed. So now open. Okay guys. So now close this file. Okay. Are you guys installed or not? Install now only. Okay. So guys, first extract this file. Okay. So it's already extracted. So close and okay. So in the downloads, okay, this file is there, right? Click and extract. Okay. So guys, just search in Oracle. Okay. Oracle. Open Oracle website directly. Sir, we don't have laptop. Hari Krishna. Okay guys. So my file is extracted. Okay. So after extracting this file, open this file. Okay. So here you guys are seeing, right, one bin folder. Okay. So just wait. So in the JDK, so in the bin folder, okay, open this bin folder first. So some candidates are there. If you are opening, it's not showing any file here, means go to in your C drive. Okay, in your C drive after extracting, it will show one program files. Okay guys, after extracting, go to your C drive. In the C drive, one folder is there. Okay, program files folder. Okay, open that program files. Okay, in the program files, where is Java? Okay, here it's not showing directly. In my download folder only it's showing, but some candidates it will show in your C drive. Okay, so after extracting this file, okay, after opening this JDK, go to your bin folder. After going to your bin folder, copy this address. Okay, copy this address, Control C. So first what you guys do, first go to your Oracle website and install Java JDK. Okay, with any version. Okay, after 8 version, with any version, 16, 17, 18, 19, it can be anything. So install your Windows only. If you are using which operating system, in that operating system install. After installing, just click on that file. That file has been extracted. After, okay, after open your file. Okay, in that opening that file, it will show what, one bin folder. After opening that bin, copy this path. Okay, in here upper, okay, one line is there, right? Okay, copy this line. No, it will not show here. That file is extracted in my in my downloads only. So directly here only it will show. I extracted in not in D drive. So after, just copy this path. Okay. So after copying this path, go to your console. Okay, so search it here. Okay, edit, edit environment variables. Okay, search, edit environment variables. So wait, this is not, wait, edit environment variables. Okay, so in system it will show. Okay, one block, open this console control panel. Okay, so after opening that edit environment variables, here one line is there, path. Okay, here click. Okay, so here already, okay, here I already having that path, right? That's why it's showing. So after opening that path, click here new. Okay, click here new and paste your link. Okay, we are copied one path, right? Paste that path here. Okay, paste that path here. Okay, that's all about your installation. So after check it is installed or not, open your command prompt. Okay, so cmd, open your command prompt and just search java c. Okay, so wait. So I only forgot to set path. So wait. So in the path, search and paste it. Okay, next. Okay, okay. So now come and open your console. Okay, so now type it java c. So wait, some problem is there. Yeah, wait. So just wait. So that path is correct only. So now just wait. Java C it we are controlling, but that path is not set successfully. So Java. So that path is not set successfully. Okay. So wait. Yeah. So just wait. That file is not extracted. So go to this file location, program files. Just give me a second, guys. I will wait. So why it is coming as zip file? No, this is my Java file. Okay, we have to open here. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Bin. Yeah. So now copy this and go to edit environment variables and paste it that. Okay. Edit environment variables and set path and next click new. No, no, Java version, not Java. So I think it already in my system. It's already one old version is that. That's why it's affecting on. Okay, 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 guys. So, so you guys understood, right? So first, after extracting file, just copy that and paste in that path. Okay. So that is just installation. That installation video you will learn it very easily. Okay. So that is not big matter. Okay. I think in my PC I'm having some problem. So already old versions is there, right? So that's why. Okay. Okay, guys. So install your JDK. So after installing JDK, what you guys have to do? Okay. So in our JDK, you guys already know, right? So what is the use of JDK? This is Java Development Toolkit. So without JDK, you can't run. Okay, you can't create one hello world program also. Okay. So inside JDK, what is there? JRE is there. Okay, inside JDK JRE is there. Okay, Java runtime environment. So this JRE it will provide for what? Java runtime environment for creating Java applications. So inside JRE one more component is there. What is that? JVM. Okay, he's the main mission of in our entire JDK. Okay, Java virtual machine. Okay, these three things you have to remember. Okay, so inside JDK one environment is there. What is that? Java runtime environment. Inside JRE one more component is there. What is that? JVM. So inside JVM is also many things is there. Okay, so interpreter. Okay, so JIT and compiler and all this all things in your JDK. Inside JDK this all things is there. If you want to develop any application, this JDK is important. So after returning JDK, what you guys have to do? You have to write one application na. You have to write your code na. So first take any editor, text editor. Okay, first take one editor. So it can be notepad or anything. Okay, notepad or edit place. Okay, Eclipse. Okay, but now guys, don't use Eclipse now only. Okay, don't use. So no, initially guys, don't use any VS Code and all. Okay, so initially use only first notepad only. So in the first part we'll use only. Okay, so in that editor first notepad. Okay, in the first part, in the second part we are using edit place, in the third part in the collection framework we go with Eclipse. Okay, initially don't download VS Code and all, it will create more confusions. Okay, so after inside that file, you will start writing your Java code. Okay, you start writing your Java code. Okay, so inside you are writing some codes. Okay, lines. Initially we don't know how to write the Java program and all, but in the later you will learn. So inside that you are taking one editor and you are writing one Java code. So after, save this file as with extension .java. So you are taking one editor and you are writing one logic. So some code you are writing. So after you want to save that file now, so save that file as with extension. What is that? .java extension. Okay. So after .java, give this file to the compiler. Give this file to the what? Compiler. So some students having doubt, sir, how to give to the compiler, sir? So you guys don't worry. Okay, simple. After saving that file, type it javac. So this is the command for what? Compiling your Java program. So after you are saving your application, give to the compiler. Okay, so what is this compiler work? It will check line by line. Okay, the syntax is correct or not. It will check only what? Syntax. If that all syntax is correct means he will generate one file. What he will do? Compiler, it will generate one file. So that file we can call it as dot class file. Okay, what is that file name? Dot class file. Okay, so now you just remember who will generate this dot class file. Who will generate this dot class file? Compiler. Okay, compiler. So in this compiler, when it will generate that class file in your program, in no syntax mistakes. Okay, zero syntax mistake and you are following all rules and regulations correct means he will generate one file. What is that file name? Dot class file. So dot class file is generated by whom? Compiler. Who is compiler? It is a part of JDK. Okay, it's a part of JVM. That JVM is part of JRE. What is JRE? It is a part of JDK. Okay, so this compiler, it will generate one file. That file name is dot class file. When it will generate? When it will generate? After compiling your Java program. How to compile? This is the command javac. Okay, this is the command. Okay, so now in this dot java file we can call it as source code. What is that? In dot java file we can call it as source code, source file. Okay, source code, source file, we can call it as our .java file. So this is what your class file. So inside your source code, what is there? Your logic is there. So which logic you return, that logic is there inside your source file. But what is there inside .java file? What is there inside .java file? Bytecode. What is there? Bytecode is there. Okay, so it's bytecode. It's like a mid-level language. It is not understandable by the humans. It is not understandable by the machines also. Okay, so inside class file, what is there? Bytecode. So in interviewer, definitely he will ask, so what is the user, what is bytecode? Okay, bytecode is generated by the compiler after compilation of your file. Okay, okay, so in this bytecode, it can understandable by the humans. What's your answer? No. It can understandable by the machines? No. So now what happens? Your file is created. Hmm? Hello. So guys, your attendance link is there in the chat box. Okay, update your attendance. Okay, we pin now. Update your attendance. Update your attendance. Okay. Yeah, okay. Some question is asking, sir, this bytecode is independent, sir. Yes, this bytecode is independent. This bytecode is platform independent only. What initial stage only I am using, this is platform independent, that is means some students they will go to that match stage. So we'll go line by line. Okay, so first Java file we are giving to the compiler is compiling that file and he is giving what, one class file. Inside class file what is there, bytecode is there. It is not understandable by the humans, it is not understandable by the machines only. Okay, so after this, okay, after compilation we are running your Java program. So this is compilation is different, run Java program is different. So when you are running your Java program, okay, interpreter is there, right? So he will read that line by line. Okay, he will take that first line and he will read that line by line and he will convert it to the binary language. What he will do, he will convert it to the binary language. Oh, that means in the bytecode finally it's converted into which language, binary language. Why we are converting it to binary language only? Why? Because machines cannot understand our language, correct or not? So that is the reason why we are converting that language to binary language. So now binary language, it can understandable by the machines. So finally by using this entire application, what we are doing, we are giving some instructions to the our computer. That's it. We are communicating with the computer by using this Java language. Understood, right? Understood, right? Anyone having any doubts? So for suppose in my Java program one error is there. Okay, in my file one error is there. Okay, I forgot to put one semicolon. Now my compiler compile my file? No, my compiler is not compile my file. He will not generate class file. When he will generate class file? When he will generate class file? So when in your source file proper syntax is there, that time only what he will do? He will compile your file and he will generate the class file. If that any one syntax mistake is there also, compiler is not allowed to do compilation. Clear, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is your how to save file and how to compile your files. Okay. So many are telling what is that Java is platform independent, Java is platform independent. So what do you mean by this platform independent? Okay. What do you mean by this platform independent? So that means for suppose in my application I am creating one application by using which my operating system is, okay, my operating system is Windows. Okay, by in my application by using Windows I am writing one code. Okay, I am writing one Java application. So this code can run in any other operating systems also. If you want you can use in Linux also, if you want you can use in Mac also. Okay, so if you are developing using in Windows, it is working in any other platforms also. That is the reason we are telling what Java it is a platform independent. What is Java? It is a platform independent. So this answer can give in normal students also. Any normal students is there, right? They will open YouTube and they will learn and they will give what is that answer. Java it's a platform independent, it can run what any other platforms also. But what is the difference between those students and Avanto students? So now give your answer like this. Java it is a platform independent, but Java it is a JRE dependent language. Okay. What is Java? Java it is a platform independent, but Java it is a JRE dependent language. So I am developing one application in Windows. So it can run in Linux and Mac also. But that Mac should have what? JRE. The Mac should have what? JRE. Without JRE, you can't run your application. Okay. So what is your answer? Java, it is a platform independent, but it is a JRE dependent language. It is a JRE dependent language. So this is answer you have to give to your interviewer. Okay. So interviewer definitely he will ask, what is Vora concept? Oh my god, my students they will think, oh my god, this is very Bhayankara question. What is Vora concept? Write once, run anywhere. That means what? Platform independent. Okay. So this type questions they will ask in interview. So if you go to any interview, they will ask small questions only. What is Vora concept? So some students are there. They know what you mean by platform independent. They know JDK. They know everything, but they don't know what is Vora concept. So what is Vora concept? Write once, run anywhere. That means we can develop our application in one platform. We can run any other platforms also. Okay. So this is what Vora concept. And second question, what do you mean by platform independent? What do you mean by platform independent? Same answer. Correct or not? Okay. So this answer you have to give. Java is platform independent or platform dependent language? It is platform independent language, but it is JRE dependent language. Very good. So some students they will think, oh my god, the small things we are learning we already know. You guys already know, but you unable to tell. But what is the difference between normal students and you? Okay, they will also give what is Vora means write once run anywhere. But you have to explain this entire things and all. Okay, this one point you have to remember JRE dependent language. If you will search in Google also, they will not give this point. It is a JRE dependent language. They will not give. If you want, you can check it. Okay. So I will revise in quickly. So what is that Vora? Write once, run anywhere. This is our part. Okay. So next, what is JRE? It is a Java runtime environment. So it is that use. It is a providing one environment to execute our Java application. So next, one more component is there. What is that? JVM. So I am not talking about what is JVM and all. I'm just explaining inside JDK what is there, JRE is there, JVM is there, compiler is there. So what is compiler work? That compiler is used to compile our Java program and it will generate one class file. So inside class file what is there? Inside class file what is there? Hello my dear student, answer. Inside class file what is there? What is there? Byte code. What is there? So now they are stopped at giving replies. See how they are. So in nonsense things they will give reply. And I'm thinking just a few seconds back what I think So in their boys I think they will give some nonsense replies and all. But in our class girls is giving that replies. So bytecode. So bytecode can understandable by the humans and machines. It is not understandable by the humans. It is not understandable by the machines also. It's like a mid-level language. Okay. So interpreter it will convert bytecode to binary language. Very good. So interpreter, one component is there inside our JDK. Who is there? Interpreter. He will convert our bytecode to what? Binary level language. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. So guys, please attend regularly. You guys just observe. Okay. So only few of them they are going in the middle of the class only. I don't know why they're showing that much attitude. Okay guys, so update your attendance here. Okay, we are pinned in one link in Google Sheet. Update your attendance. Okay, so today notes I will give you, don't worry. Okay, so this is day 2 notes. Take screenshots. So first, what is JDK? So no, will not send PPT. You have to copy the notes in your notebook only. You have to write. That's it. You have to write. Okay. So next, what is JRE? So guys, we will send means you will not read. You have to write. I told right yesterday. Please take one Java notebook. Screen is not clear means increase your video quality first. Increase your video quality. It will be good. Increase your video quality. Okay. So next JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay. So next Java compilation. This is our architecture. Okay, okay, I will scroll first slide also. Wait. So just take on screenshot. Okay. So our architecture. This is the complete information about our architecture. So if you read this entire thing, what is there? What I thought in this within 30 minutes, the same things is there. That's it. No extra things. But here we are using some polite grammar. Yeah, today I already took attendance Pravalika. Please check in the link. Here we already pinned in, right? Aavanto Technologies. That link is there. That is your attendance link only. So now guys, I'm checking comments. Anyone having any doubt, just ask me now only. Post in WhatsApp group. No. Okay. Thank you. Share in Google Drive link. Oh my god, no. So holiday. Okay. Sunday is holiday. If you want, you can take Sunday holiday. So guys, better to write, okay? Take that screenshots and maintain one notebook, okay? If you're having any seriousness on your job, please maintain one notebook. Okay. Wait. We'll send that notes also. Don't worry. In the Saturday and Sunday, no classes, guys. Saturday, Sunday, no classes. Okay. Guys, just tell me if the class is there means you happy or class is not there means you happy. Okay, guys. So anyone having any queries, ask now only. After, don't discuss anything. Okay. Okay, guys. So in installation today, I'm facing some problem. That's why I'm not installed. Okay. So you got that idea, right? Want class on Saturday, but no Sunday. Okay. We'll see. We'll discuss. So guys, if you don't have laptop means what will do? You are learning Java, right? You have to execute some programs now. Take your friend's laptop for 2 months. Just 2 months. Guys, don't use online JDK. Okay, you have to install JDK. Don't use any online compilers. Install JDK. So now so many companies are recession period, but you will get placements. Why? Because we have to complete this course in within two months, right? Okay, in the 2 months the recession will over, so we'll get placements. Installation process. Okay, will Springs means okay, guys. We'll discuss. Okay, first after Java, how the depends on strength. Okay, how many candidates will attend, how many candidates it will not attend. It depends on the strength. The students they will ask means okay, we'll start advanced Java. Okay, you will get certificate. Yeah, you will get certificate. Okay, guys. Bala Sandeep, this course is completely free. Okay, we are not asking any payments, no hidden payments and all. Understood, Bala Sandeep? Yeah, thank you. So, okay, guys, any queries? Okay, so my Java is installed. My Java version is 19. Okay, in the same process, just install. If you want, you can check, guys, that Java is installed or not. Okay, so just okay, come to console and type it Java. Okay, so type it Java. Okay, and version hyphen version, not underscore hyphen version. So it will give that version of Java. Okay, so I'm using 19th version. So if you that set it pass successfully or not, enter directly Java C. Okay, it will show that all declarations. Okay, so that all predefined classes and all, it will show this library. Okay, type it Java C. So if you'll get this declaration means that path is set it successfully. If you are not getting means your path is not set it successfully. Okay, so check once. So it's been published. This is the going to be a long recession, which is the last up to the start 2024. It is true or not? It is true. It will start it. So increase the class duration. So guys, this is the initial days, right? So yesterday only we started, right? So we'll increase. Actual our class timings is 2 hours daily. So in the starting day only, I will started teaching 2 hours means the students they will not come. Advanced Java need SQL also. Oh my God, you're having how many ideas? So guys, in our side we will teach everything. But what about your side? Simply you are coming and attending classes means no use. You have to practice now. You just practice, we will teach everything. You don't worry. So why you are worrying about placements? That placements is my responsibility now. You don't worry about placements and all. So in our syllabus, Springs is not there. That is advanced concept, right? We'll teach. Okay, guys. Okay. So okay, guys. We'll meet you tomorrow. Okay, at the same time. What is our class time? Sharp 8 o'clock. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So bye bye to all USA candidates and TS candidates also. So good night, sweet dreams. Take care. Bye bye. So signing off from Nakumar. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see. Okay, how to compile Java program, how to write one Java demo program. Okay. So attendance is important. Okay. So So daily update your attendance. We'll send one link, update your attendance. Can you explain class.file? Okay, so now the students they already left, right? Many of them. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow. We'll discuss. Okay, so tomorrow we'll create one WhatsApp group also. Tomorrow Friday, na? Yeah, tomorrow I will create one WhatsApp group also. And tomorrow I will start. Okay, how to write a one Java program. One simple Java program we'll see tomorrow. Okay, guys. So we'll meet you tomorrow at the same time. Bye bye. Good night. Tata.